National Pump and Energy, or NPE, is the leader in providing pump rental solutions to a range of industries, including construction. Our team of highly experienced pumping professionals work closely with you to provide not just a piece of equipment, but a complete turnkey solution. Boasting one of the largest fleets of pump equipment in the country, NPE has exactly what you need, when you need it, ready for rent today. Our pump and dewatering crews have extensive experience in all aspects of construction site dewatering. Able to deliver complete design, installation and maintenance of any dewatering system, from well point to deep well and more. Get it done right. Talk to the experts at NPE for your construction dewatering needs.
National Pump and Energy, or NPE, are one of Australia's leading pump, power and compressed air equipment suppliers, offering complete pump and power solutions to the mining, oil and gas, municipal, construction, civil and various other industries. With branches nationally, NPE are positioned to supply equipment anywhere in Australia. Having provided pump and power solutions to some of the country's largest projects, NPE have a proven record in supplying fit-for-purpose solutions that are effective, efficient and reliable. When it comes to pumps and power generation and compressed air equipment, NPE are your total solutions provider.
We're a specialist pumping and power generation supplier, working with our clients to ensure the best possible outcome. From a groundwater dewatering system on a civil site to a large-scale mine dewatering project, NPE have the resources and equipment to offer a superior solution.
The extensive range of ready-for-rent equipment is second to none in terms of suitability, reliability and sheer size. This means a hassle-free and cost-effective solution that can be delivered on time and on budget. The fleet is built on strong partnerships with some of the world's best brands, giving you the ability to always get the best equipment for your job. Once we have worked with you to ascertain the best equipment for your job, the team of trade qualified and highly experienced professionals in the NPE workshops ensure the equipment meets strict quality standards.
Here at NPE, we're a one-stop shop when it comes to critical bypass, whether it be town water or wastewater. We have the solution. From our BBA silence package range right down to our submersible range of manhole pumps, we have the right pump for the application. Our highly skilled team can install and commission your temporary system and even manage it for the duration of your upgrade works. We can do a combination of fully automated duty standby arrangements, so you can sleep easy knowing that the system is functioning correctly, and manage it all from our advanced telemetry monitoring tools.
It's important to know that NPE not only has the equipment but has an extensive range of spare parts and consumables ready for immediate mobilisation to any site, anywhere, anytime.
I invite you to challenge the projects department and the team here at NPE. We have the solution.
We're here at Benyup, Water Corp's water treatment facility just north of Perth. Our system's installed as Water Corp required a bypass to the primary settlement tank water to the aeration tanks to enable a contractor to safely enter the primary effluent distribution chamber and carry out repair works in dry conditions. We've got 23 pump sets on site here, flow design capacity nearly 4,000 litres a second, all pump sets monitored remotely from our control room here on site and also from our office in Perth, Western Australia. Another stringent requirement put on us by Water Corp was to maintain the tank level within a 40mm range. This obviously is very difficult when pumping at rates of up to nearly 4,000 litres a second. However, NPE's custom design electronic system can optimise pump operating parameters to achieve this. So some of the key challenges that we were faced here is obviously with the design we had limited space, so the installation of the pipework and pumps had to be coordinated such that it could all be assembled correctly and connected without disruption to the day-to-day operation of the facility. Watercorp timelines were such that we installed the whole project on site within 5 weeks with 4 key NPE personnel with support from office in Perth. NPE were chosen for this project due to our capacity, experience, equipment, personnel and competitive pricing.
The client came to us with the problem, which was to bypass a manhole that was in pretty imminent danger of collapse due to H2S gas. This bypass is on the incoming side of a functioning treatment plant. The plant doesn't stop, the sewer doesn't stop, and it's raw effluent, and there's quite a lot of it. So the design of the system, where our pipeline goes, where our pumps go, how we interact ourselves when maintaining the system, and just the nature of sewer bypassing in itself, everything is critical. No matter how big or small a sewer bypass is, it's critical when you're dealing with the potential of spilling sewer on the ground.
The biggest challenge was there was no margin for error. There's obviously a lot of EPA regulations down here at the treatment plant, and because there's licenses associated with running the treatment plant, it was made very clear to us that there was no option for any spills.
It is a very successful operation. The whole process was very smooth. This is abnormal for us. We don't normally do it, so don't get me wrong, there was some hesitation, but Pete and the team at NPE developed a really thorough plan. The procedure was laid out. All the kit, the team maintains it, they operate it, it's monitored 24/7. That gave us confidence that we didn't have to stress about this particular project.
So having telemetry on our pumps and our equipment to know that they are doing their job is critical. If we can't dial into it and make sure that, yep, it's doing what it should be doing, you know, it's how we're going to deliver a good service to the client. You know, a lot of the times if there is something going wrong with the equipment, because machines break down, that's just the nature of the beast, we can jump into that equipment, slow it down, put it into limp mode, till we can mobilise a technician to get out to it and rectify the issue.
NPE was actually fantastic to work with. I really appreciated their speed and efficiency they were able to deliver the project, and their constant attentive nature to making sure that their system is faultless.
100%. I don't think I'd even bother looking at anybody else now, so the confidence we've got with NPE and the way they were able to not only set it up, but their ongoing maintenance, their monitoring, the support they provide to make us feel confident that no matter what was going to happen, they had contingency plans in place. They demonstrated that at times when we got challenged with certain events and things that went on, they were able to respond well, so yeah, 100% confident.
The peak flows of the day will regularly get up to 600-700 litres per second. The system's design capacity is 2,400 litres per second. If we switch on all these pumps at once, we can move some sewer through the line. I'd hesitate to think the sheer volume of sewer that's gone through this system. But quite regularly, we've had it up at around 1,000 litres per second and more in severe wet weather events.
I would like to thank the entire, the pump operations team, the bypass monitoring crew from NPE. They've done a great job over the last 6.5 months. So on behalf of Melbourne Water, would like to thank the pump operations team, the bypass crew, and in particular Peter Sherwood, who has been the brains behind this system. So thank you, and look forward to working with you again in future.
This is what they do, and they do it well. They're very knowledgeable, a lot of expertise, a lot of history. They get excited about pumps and valves and bypass arrangements. So no, they've done extremely well.